Hi guys! Ngayon, magluluto kami ni ate ng Valenciana. Woo! We can have a sausage, green peas, we have chicken, green pepper, we have raisins.
Raisins!
Oh, we have a chickens and we have a glutinous rice. My sister wash it first, okay? Garlic and onions. And we need to be defrost the chicken, so let's have fun with them. So you will know the other Filipino here, not only me. We have a lots of friends here. This is my two friends. They are from different cities in the Philippines. Both of us, we don't have a job, and our company is still not yet open. So I'm here with my friends today to eat her food. Joke, because I don't have food. Joke. I don't know what will happen for us in a few days, and let's see. So my friends, say hi. Say hi. Hi. I will put some mask for my friends, and she will pay me and give me food. Yeah. Let's go. My friends, come and laying down here. I will put for you a
Hindi lang
mask.
maganda yan.
Yeah. We'll put some mask to my friend's face, okay? We will see what she feels after. This mask is from the sea. So this is very effective. This is a Royal Beauty, and they have a peppermint clay mask. Ano ba, ma? Mahapdi ba, bes?
Bes, ayusin mo lang, Bes. Pagtanggal ba ng mas na yan, Marian Rivera na ba ako?
Pikit mo lang mata mo. Ba, sininit na mo yan. Now, here na, my friend, all the blackheads and whiteheads is removing. We let them to dry before we wash it.
How
So,
many minutes?
We make it 10 minutes, maximum 10 minutes, minimum 10 minutes.
Maximum and minimum. Walang yayari.
Okay, what you want to give for me after when I finish this?
If you can carry my fridge.
Now my friend is sleeping. This is our glutinous rice. After we wash it, we put bit of turmeric so it will become yellow. Yes, you see it? It will be yellow. And just leave it for a while. So see, the color is like yellow. Turmeric have lots of benefits to our body. It's very healthy. And my sister is helping me. She's helping me. She's preparing, chopping everything, onion. And guys, we use butter instead of oil. We try to make it hot. Put our garlic now. Now my friend's removing her face mask. She will give you the face mask. Ate, how was you feel? How was you feel?
I feel cold.
You feel cold? Nice?
Yes.
Isn't soft your skin, your face? Soft? Yes. Happy. Woo. This is our garlic now. Here our chicken. We mix it. Yeah. Guys, here now our chicken. Just leave it for a while. After we add our chicken liver. Now our chicken liver. We add now water. Just like the water. And mix it. Leave it for a while until it's boiling. We are here now. All of us now, we are in the kitchen. My sister, me, and my beautiful ate also. Ate! We are all cooking. Cooking. Now we add our sausages. We add our green peas, green pepper, rising star. It's rising. We add our raisins and we add water. Mix, mix, mix. Guys, this recipe is from my mama. My mama who teach everything for us, especially in cooking. After the chicken is boiling, we add now our glutinous rice. Pag sa Tagalog, malagkit yan, besh. Malagkit. Glutinous rice. Malagkit rice. Okay? Here now. We mix it and until it's cooked. Wala video to. Video. Okay, guys. Oh, ito na po yung aming finished product. Oh, kain. Eat. Finished product. O, kain na. Tikman. Tikman. Taste it. Taste it. Delicious.
Bastos talaga.
Delicious. Yummy.
Sarap.
Masarap?
Mag-send pa ako ng
Sarap.
video sa boyfriend ko.
Sarap. Guys, this meal is a paella.
Chicken.
Paella in Spanish. But in Tagalog is Arroz Valenciana, I think, like that. It's nice. Try it.